The human mind is a vast and complex universe. Like the cosmos, it holds mysteries we yearn to unravel. Psychometrics is our telescope, our tool for exploring this inner space. It's the science of measuring the mind. Think of the last time you took a personality quiz or an IQ test. That's psychometrics in action. Psychometricians design and analyze these tests. They turn abstract concepts like intelligence or personality into concrete measurements. But psychometrics is more than just tests. It's about understanding how we measure psychological attributes. It's about ensuring those measurements are accurate, reliable, and fair. By understanding psychometrics, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Just as astronomers use telescopes to study the stars, we use psychometrics to study the mind. To navigate the cosmos of psychometrics, we need a map. This map is made up of key terms and concepts. First, we have psychological constructs. These are abstract concepts like intelligence, personality, or job satisfaction. We can't touch them, but we can infer them from behavior. Next comes measurement. In psychometrics, we measure psychological constructs using tests or assessments. These can be multiple-choice questions, true-false statements, or even open-ended responses. Reliability and validity are crucial. Reliability refers to a test's consistency. A reliable test will give similar results over time. Validity refers to a test's accuracy. A valid test measures what it's supposed to measure. Finally, we have norms. Norms are benchmarks that allow us to compare an individual's score to a larger group. This helps us understand where someone falls on a particular trait. Factor analysis is a powerful statistical tool used in psychometrics. Imagine looking at a tapestry of threads, each representing a different aspect of a personality trait. Factor analysis helps us identify the underlying patterns. For example, imagine a personality test measuring traits like talkativeness, assertiveness, and sociability. Factor analysis might reveal that these traits cluster together, suggesting a single underlying factor, extroversion. This technique helps simplify complex data. It identifies the core dimensions underlying a set of observations. This is essential for understanding the structure of psychological constructs. Factor analysis also helps refine tests. By identifying which items cluster together, we can ensure that each item contributes meaningfully to the overall measurement. By unraveling these hidden relationships, factor analysis provides valuable insights into the structure of the mind. Section 4. Building a telescope for the mind, the art and science of test construction. Building a reliable and valid psychological test is both an art and a science. It requires careful planning, meticulous execution, and rigorous analysis. The first step is to define the construct. What exactly are we trying to measure? This seems simple, but defining intelligence or personality is complex. Next, we develop test items. These are the individual questions or tasks that make up the test. Each item must be carefully worded to avoid bias and ensure clarity. Once we have a pool of items, we need to pilot test them. This involves administering the test to a small group of people who are representative of the intended test takers. Based on the pilot test results, we refine the items and the overall test structure. This iterative process helps ensure that the final test is as accurate and reliable as possible. Building a good test is like crafting a precision instrument. It requires skill, knowledge, and a deep understanding of the human mind. Section 5. Cosmic Comparisons, Item Response Theory versus Classical Test Theory. Two major theoretical frameworks guide test development: classical test theory, or CTT, and item response theory, or IRT. Both aim to create reliable and valid tests, but they approach the problem from different angles. CTT is like measuring the brightness of stars with the naked eye. It provides a general sense of their luminosity. IRT is like using a powerful telescope. It provides a more precise and detailed understanding of each star's individual characteristics. CTT focuses on the total test score. It assumes that the same amount of error is present in all scores. IRT, on the other hand, focuses on each individual item. It considers the difficulty of each item and how likely a person is to answer it correctly based on their underlying ability. IRT offers several advantages. It allows for computer adaptive testing, where the difficulty of items adjusts based on the test taker's responses. This results in shorter tests and more precise measurements. While CTT provides a solid foundation for test development, IRT offers a more sophisticated and nuanced approach. Section 6. Psychometrics, a universe of applications. Psychometrics is not confined to the ivory towers of academia. It has far-reaching applications in various fields, touching upon many aspects of our lives. In education, psychometrics plays a critical role in standardized testing. From college entrance exams to assessments of learning disabilities, psychometrics helps ensure that tests are fair and accurate. In psychology and clinical settings, psychometrics is used to diagnose mental health disorders, assess personality, and measure treatment effectiveness. The business world utilizes psychometrics in employee selection and performance evaluation. Psychometric tests can help identify individuals with the right skills and personality traits for specific roles. From understanding consumer behavior to guiding public policy decisions, psychometrics provides tools for measurement and analysis across diverse domains. Section 7. Conclusion: the expanding universe of psychometrics. Just as the cosmos is constantly expanding, so too is the field of psychometrics. New technologies and analytical techniques are constantly being developed, pushing the boundaries of what we can measure and understand about the human mind. As we venture further into this exciting field, we can expect to see more sophisticated assessments, more personalized interventions, and a deeper understanding of the complexities of human thought and behavior. By embracing the power of psychometrics, we can unlock the secrets of the mind and pave the way for a future where our understanding of ourselves is as vast and awe-inspiring as the universe itself. Subscribe and don't forget to take care of yourselves. Goodbye.